Recovering from your broken wrist. Exercises after your cast is removed. This video will guide you through exercise you can do after your cast is removed. For each exercise, move as far as you can without feeling sharp pain. It is normal to feel some discomfort or stretch. Exercise 1. Bend your wrist up and down. Repeat this movement 10 times. Exercise 2. Move your hand at the wrist from left to right. Repeat this movement 10 times. Exercise 3. Turn your palm up, then down. Repeat this movement 10 times. When you feel comfortable, add the following exercises. Most people start these exercises 1 to 2 weeks after their cast is removed. Exercise 1. Bend your injured wrist up. Then use your uninjured hand to hold your hand up. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds. Exercise 2. Bend your injured wrist down. Then use your uninjured hand to hold your hand down. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds. Exercise 3. Use your uninjured hand to turn your injured hand palm up and stretch. Exercise 4. Try squeezing a stress ball or a rolled up towel for 1 to 2 minutes with your injured hand. Speak with a registered physiotherapist if you feel your recovery is not progressing well. You can find a list of physiotherapists on the Ontario Physiotherapy Association website at opa.on.ca. You can also find this link in the video description.